When it comes to managing your 401k, you've probably heard about rolling it over into an IRA. But what you don't know about this decision could really hurt you in the long run, especially if you're a retiree looking to protect your wealth. Today, we're diving into the pros and cons of rolling over your 401k into an IRA, and more importantly, the key things you need to be aware of before making the move. Let's start with the basics. The biggest draw for many retirees is the increased control and flexibility that comes with rolling your 401k into an IRA. You'll have a wider range of investment options, from stocks to bonds, and of course, precious metals like gold, which we'll get into shortly. This flexibility can be a game changer for people who want to diversify their portfolio and have more control over their retirement savings. However, there's a catch. While you can open up your options with an IRA, not all IRAs are created equal. And if you're not careful, you could be faced with high fees and hidden costs that eat into your returns. A common problem is the loss of employer-sponsored benefits, like loan options, or more affordable fees that some 401k plans offer. These hidden fees can add up quickly, especially over time. Now, if you're considering a rollover, here's a crucial thing to keep in mind. Traditional IRAs are tax deferred, meaning you won't pay taxes on your earnings until you withdraw them in retirement. But this also means that once you hit the withdrawal stage, you're looking at regular income tax rates, which could be higher depending on your tax bracket. This is where many retirees miss the mark when they roll over their 401k. They don't fully understand the tax implications down the road, but there's a solution, especially if you're serious about protecting your wealth. By considering a gold IRA, you can hedge against inflation and market volatility, giving you the peace of mind that your retirement savings will stay strong, even when the stock market isn't. If you're serious about protecting your wealth in the next 2 weeks, click the first link in the description to get a free gold IRA guide. This guide has helped thousands of retirees safeguard their savings with tangible assets like gold, and it could be exactly what you need. Getting back to your 401k rollover, there's another option worth exploring: Roth IRAs. A Roth IRA allows you to pay taxes up front, but once you're in retirement, your withdrawals are tax-free. While this might sound appealing, you need to be aware that Roth IRAs come with income limits, and you may not qualify for one depending on your income. It's crucial to weigh the long-term impact of converting your 401k into a Roth IRA, especially if you're looking to avoid tax burdens in retirement. Now let's talk about something crucial when it comes to 401k rollovers: mistakes. One common mistake is cashing out your 401k instead of rolling it over, which could trigger taxes and penalties. You'll want to avoid this at all costs, as it can set back your retirement savings by years. Additionally, some people think that they can simply roll over their 401k into an IRA without checking the specific rules for their plan. Always make sure to do your due diligence to avoid unnecessary setbacks. It's also important to consider that not all financial institutions offering IRAs are created equal. Some may provide great investment options, but poor customer service or lack of guidance. If you're looking for the best way to protect your wealth, a gold IRA is one option that offers both security and stability. As we've mentioned before, gold has a long history of maintaining value, and it can act as a safeguard against market volatility. At the end of the day, rolling over your 401k into an IRA can be a great move for many retirees, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You need to understand the pros and cons, as well as the hidden costs and tax implications before making the jump. And remember, if you've got 100k or more in your IRA or 401k, or even 5M Plus in savings, this could be a critical time to think about securing your wealth with a gold IRA. If you want to get started on the right track and see why thousands of Americans are choosing gold IRAs to protect their retirement savings, click the first link in the description. It's a free guide, and it could be the key to safeguarding your wealth for the future. Don't wait until it's too late.